Hello. We are back and ready to explore that element of art, value. We've been looking at some illusions, and this is a piece by Bridget Riley. And this was a study she did for a painting. But her range of values really adds an illusion of space and depth to her work. Take a look at this graphite drawing by Georgia O'Keeffe. This is a banana flower and is composed of a variety of values: light, medium, dark, and everything in between. How hard is it to depict the ocean? I can imagine this was a challenge, but Vija Selmans was up for the task, and she created this dry point titled Ocean Surface. This was a painting she also did. This painting is titled Suspended Plane, and the range of values really gives that illusion of a photograph. And here we have a graphite portrait of Joseph of Egypt, I believe, and this is by Kendi Wiley. His range of light, medium, and dark values is excellent and really shows that illusion of form and depth. Well, to get started from square one with value, I'm going to use an example of a ball. Here we have a volleyball. You can use any type of ball you want, but it's going to help us study how light affects this ball. So I'm first seeing how the light hits the ball right on top, and I want to develop my ability to depict very, very dark values, medium dark, medium light, and the lightest I can get while still shading. So I have a value scale, and a value scale helps you develop that ability to change the range that your values go. I just have this one pencil, so I'm using pressure, and the tip of my pencil is also very important. More pressure is darker, less pressure is lighter. And when I grab my pencil and I'm trying to get the lightest values, I'm really just gently letting my pencil glide over my paper, not pressing down hard, really pushing this to the lightest value that I can get. It takes practice, just like anything, just like volleyball, like basketball. Drawing is a skill that takes practice, and this is one of the exercises that you can do to develop your ability to depict value. So, to get started, we need to add a light source. This is where the light is affecting the form you're going to draw. I just drew a reflection of light on the top, and I'm not going to shade that area, but I'm going to go ahead and shade everything around it with the lightest value I can. I just shade in tiny circles instead of just making just straight lines over and over and kind of, just scribbling across it. I'm taking my time. The more time you put in, the better your illusion will be. So just take your time until you get it right. Now I'm getting a little bit darker towards the edge, but I still haven't gone to my darkest value. I'm slowly building layers, and I'm just monitoring the pressure of my pencil. And I'm not using a super pointed pencil tip. I have a flat pencil tip that I'm using for this. Now, I am speeding this up 3 times, so I'm not going this fast in reality. When you're doing this, I highly recommend you just develop your patience and develop your ability to take time. Go back in with some of those darker values. The better range of values you have, the more realistic the illusion of form will be. I can shade with many values. Next time, you can try to include this reflected light. Enjoy, class.